News.
By Mark Moore.
The FBI and the Department of Homeland Security are preparing to issue a warning that Chinese hackers and spies are using the coronavirus pandemic as cover to try to pilfer U.S. research to develop vaccines and treatments for COVID-19, according to a report.
China is seeking valuable intellectual property and public health data through illicit means related to vaccines, treatments and testing, a draft of the warning obtained by the New York Times said.
It is expected to be released in the coming days.
The document emphasizes efforts by non-traditional actors, a term the Trump administration uses to describe researchers and students stealing information from academic and private laboratories.
The decision to directly accuse China's state-run cyber hacking teams is part of a larger deterrent strategy involving the United States Cyber Command and the National Security Agency, the Times report published Sunday said.
The warning comes as President Trump blamed Beijing for misleading the world about the severity of the outbreak that began in Wuhan, China, in late December and for spreading propaganda in the months following.
The State Department last week said China was conducting a Twitter campaign to spread disinformation and propaganda about the virus.
But the real focus is on accessing information about vaccines.
China's long history of bad behavior in cyberspace is well documented, so it shouldn't surprise anyone they are going after the critical organizations involved in the nation's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Christopher Krebs, the director of the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, told The Times.
He said the agency would defend our interests aggressively.